How to redeem code in DramaBox. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can redeem codes on DramaBox. So let's get started. If you've not already downloaded DramaBox, you can just head to your app store and search for DramaBox and click on search, and after that you need to download this application, that is DramaBox Stream Drama Shots, that is by Story Matrix. So if you have not downloaded, you'll be able to see an install option over here, but if already downloaded, you'll be able to see open. So just click on open and you'll be redirected to the DramaBox homepage. So if you have any redeem code or any redeem gift to get, what you can do is just click on profile here at the bottom right, and you'll be able to see this option, that is earn rewards. So note that you should be eligible in order to redeem the gifts through a redeem code. If you're not eligible, you'll not be able to see the option of redeeming code. So just click on earn rewards, and here is a specific criteria that you need to have in order to redeem codes, and if you fall under that criteria, you'll be able to see an option over here that would say type in your redeem code, and you can type in your redeem code over there. So note that the redeem code can only be redeemed once and you can claim the gift only once, and the redeem code has specific number of redeems per code. For example, if 100 people are allowed to redeem through that code, that once the limit is reached to the 100 people, the redeem code will get expired. And also note that you can only redeem that code once per account. If you'll wish to redeem that code again on the same account you redeemed earlier, you'll not be eligible to do that. So that is how you can use redeem code on DramaBox. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.